Hello, this is Mr. Bridgelaw again. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will introduce our functions of the controller by this video. Hope you guys can follow up with me, okay? But before all of the operations, I want to introduce this one to you guys. Do you know what's this? Okay, actually this box is the name is Liquid Crystal Display. The short name is LCD controller. With this controller, we have different kind of function inside it, including the temperature setting, timing setting, and also for others. Okay, and this accessory was qualified with the RU certificate. It is very good quality, and as you can see here, all of the design is made by the line. It is very convenient for customers to disassemble or assemble it, and very easy for our technicians to do the after sales service. Okay, look, it is very nice. So after knowing about this part, I will show you the functions about how to set the different values for this machine. Okay. Let's come to the controller. You find here have different kind of icons. The PV, it means the present value. SV, it means the setting value, like what we need it to be. And you will find here, below of the controller, you will find here, it is the setting button. And decrease, increase, and clear. First, I need to press this setting button. We can enter into the procedure 1. In here, you can set the different value of the temperature. Like the maximum is 232 Celsius degree and equals 450 Fahrenheit degree. Okay. Like right now, I can press the increase or decrease to change the value of this machine. Like I set it to 15 Celsius degree, and now it is done. Then I press the set again into procedure 2. This we can set the different timing. The maximum of this part, it will be 999 seconds. Okay, so like same operations, I set it to 15 seconds. Press this again. You will find here, this shows C. It means the units of the temperature, because you know some of the customers from the United States or other or similar countries which use the Fahrenheit regularly, but another part is used the Celsius degree regularly. So we can change the unit of the temperature by here, like this. Press the set again, we can enter into procedure 4. This is the most important part of this machine. We can adjust the pressure by this part. The maximum will be 32, and the maximum can be adjusted. If the customer thinks the pressure is not enough, we can enter into the procedure to make the pressure bigger. This is the way. This is one of the way. We have another way. I will introduce you later. With different value of procedure 4, we can have different pressure to this machine. Like because you know the pressure can directly influence the printable thickness. The maximum thickness of this machine can be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, I think it is very wide for customers, especially for the t-shirt maker. So you can also make the aluminum or the marbles or something else which is less than 3.5 centimeter. It is very good, I think. Okay. Press this again. We can enter into procedure 5. This means the standby mode. Like if I don't operate this machine, we suppose this to be 5 minutes. The units of this part is minutes. Okay, So we've set it to be 5 minutes. Like if I don't operate this machine within 5 minutes, so after that this machine will automatically enter into the sleep mode, so that it can save more energy for our customers, and it is very I think very environment, how to say that words. Anyway, it is very convenient for our customers if they don't if they cannot keep inside with this machine. Okay, and if you want to activate this machine, if it enter into the sleep mode, you just only need to press any button of this display. Okay, and press the set again, we can enter into this part. Procedure 6. This is also another very important advantage of our controller, because you can see here we can set the values from 0 to 1 and to 2. These only 3 choices. With these 3 choices, you can have different kind of the function, including the preheating, and heat transfer, and also for the reinforce. This is the 3 timer we call. Okay. In the next video, I will show you how to operate this machine. Hope this video have already explained well to the functions of our controllers well. Hope you can follow our ways and subscribe our channel and to see the next operations of this machine. See you next time.